Hello to all my friends here at YouTube. Welcome to Brenda's Bread Moments. Please don't forget to subscribe and to comment on this video today. What I'd like to talk to you about today is positivity. Um, I've come in contact with some people, and I noticed, I had to turn the conversation around and talk about being positive. When you think positive and speak of positive things, or you think of good things and speak of good things, it affects you overall, emotionally, spiritually, and mentally. So I happened to be amongst a group of people that were speaking just negativity. Everything was negative, complaining, and I was silent and I listened and I received what they were saying, but spiritually I didn't receive it. So what I did was I became the peacemaker. I decided that I would let them continue to talk, and then I implemented in the conversation and turned it around so that everything that was being said would be retracted in a positive manner. So I began to say to them, really, we owe God. When we wake up in the morning, we owe him just for waking us up, tapping us with his hand or his finger, raising us up. And the air that we breathe, every time we inhale or exhale, it is because of Jesus Christ. Then they begin to complain, and I said, well, I have a common cold, but I'm here today to serve my students. And I thank God for traveling mercies going from point A to point B. And while I'm driving, I'm thanking God just for waking me up for a new day, for grace and mercy, praying for those that I know that are sick, praying for those that may be homeless, those that are in their nursing homes, praying for church leadership, praying for our ministry, praying for homes, praying for the children, praying for family, praying for the nation. So they all got very quiet as I made this statement that I'm just telling you. And then I paused and they all began to say, you know what? Brenda, you're right. We do have a lot to be grateful for. I mean, they were just moaning and groaning and complaining. We all have bills. Long as you live on earth, you're going to have bills. Long as you live on earth, you're going to have some debt. So we work, you pay your obligations, you give God his 10% and pay your tithe, and he will make provisions and open doors for you, and don't live above your means, so you have to budget yourself, you have to discipline yourself. So I just wanted to come to you today and just talk about positivity. And feel free to comment, tell others to tune in. Let's have conversation about this because this can affect your health. You know, and sometimes it's just good to be silent and just listen. I spoke at a conference, and the Lord just gave it to me in my Discord, and even while studying the material for the presentation, sometimes it's just good to just listen. So that's what I did in this break room as the people were just carrying on, and then all of a sudden I said, well, what can I do to be the peacemaker? And I just began to tell them what they should be grateful and be thankful about. Because, I mean, there's people that are still dealing with the hurricane situation that just took place. There's still people dealing with water damage, being moved from their homes, starting all over. There's adults and children dealing with cancer. So we have so much to be thankful and grateful about. In other words, don't take life for granted. Be grateful and be thankful. Have a grateful and thankful heart. And then watch things turn around for you. Tell others as well, when they're complaining, because it's easy to get into that web or fall into that trapped, so to speak, when you hear others complaining. So I just wanted to come and share that with you. So my message today, or my word for today, is just positivity. So let's be positive. I thank you for tuning in. Please feel free to subscribe. Tell others to join Brenda's Bread Moments. Look at a couple of other videos that I made for this channel, maybe some products you may be interested in. But feel free to comment. And please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos that I make. Look forward to hearing from you by your comments and giving this video a thumbs up. Talk to you soon. Be blessed. Bye.